Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video for a customer who sent a Sony TCON board for repair. This is hopefully their signature. I can't make anything out of it. I don't have the paperwork in front of me to show what it is. This is probably something that we wrote when opening the board for processing. The board is repaired now, but when I was putting it, I noticed something in that I haven't noticed before. The connection, the left connection for the panel was broken on the left side. There is a hinge missing here. I don't know if you can see it well, but on this corner there is nothing there. I don't know how that happened. I honestly don't think it was us, because we have done a lot of those boards and there is no reason whatsoever to be doing anything there. Most likely when it was uninstalled. The board is working now. As you can see, no 14 blinks, no issues. Let me press the home button.
Hey, Bob.
And this is something that just needs to be taken care of, or you should assume the risk of it loosening over time and not working as well. Again, let me press, let's see which button, channel, input, let's see inputs. And you can see the inputs on this side. They hit already. That was fast. Input. There you go. So it is working as it is now. And it's going to be your choice if we have to replace that connector and charge you more, or just send it back this way. That's all that I wanted to show. And this is the TV. And this is the board with the defective connector. Yeah, thank you.